Dive into the captivating world of black holes with us, where science fiction meets reality. From the thrilling process of spaghettification to the groundbreaking discovery of Hawking radiation, we're uncovering the secrets of these cosmic phenomena. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this journey with fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe for more mind-bending adventures across the universe.
Ever wondered what's lurking in the cosmic shadows, gobbling up stars like cosmic popcorn? Let's take a whimsical dive into the universe's most elusive star-eaters, black holes. These celestial phenomena are not just the universe's cleanup crew. They're the enigmatic superstars of the cosmos. From bending light to potentially unlocking the doors to alternate universes, black holes are the ultimate cosmic magicians. Join us as we journey through space-time fabric. Without getting spaghettified, hopefully, uncovering the secrets of black holes. Ready to warp your mind with some gravity-defying facts? Buckle up as we zoom past the event horizon, where going back is not an option, and your only ticket in is a one-way trip to Mysteryland. The first ever photo of a black hole's event horizon. Turn these cosmic phantoms from science fiction to science fact. Size matters, but in space, it's complicated. From the tiniest black holes you wouldn't find, even with the cosmic magnifying glass, to the supermassive heartthrobs sitting at the center of galaxies, black holes come in all sizes. Our Milky Way's own Sagittarius A is the heavyweight champion, with a mass of about 4 million suns. The cosmic blender, imagine being stretched like the world's worst piece of spaghetti as you get sucked into a black hole. This process, affectionately known as spaghettification, is the universe's unique take on pasta making. Chef's kiss, where time crawls. Near a black hole, your watch would tick slower, making it the worst place in the universe to procrastinate. Thanks to the intense gravity, you could technically watch entire civilizations rise and fall before you even dropped in to say hello. Seeing is believing. Black holes are the universe's con artists, bending light around them, so we get to see the universe's version of a magic trick. It's how astronomers peek at stars and galaxies behind them, space's very own vanishing act. Wormholes, or the universe's shortcuts. Ever late and wish you could just zip across the universe? Theoretical wormholes might be your answer, courtesy of black holes. Just don't expect GPS to work there. Quantum leaks. Ever heard of Hawking radiation? It's how black holes might be slowly losing mass, proving that even the universe's most mysterious objects can't keep it all together forever. Talk about cosmic weight loss goals. Interstellar's gargantua moment. Ever seen a black hole on the big screen and thought, wow, that's so Hollywood? Turns out, it's not all fiction. Black holes are the ultimate influencers of the cosmos, dictating how galaxies evolve and stars live out their days. So, there you have it, black holes, the universe's most mysterious nomads. Might just be the cosmic curiosity that keeps on giving. From acting as potential gateways to other worlds, to making us rethink the nature of reality, they're the ultimate space enigma. Ready to keep exploring?